As a new business owner, there's going to be lots of different tax that potentially your business is liable for. So let's have a look at these in more detail. So corporation tax. Now corporation tax is a tax that's payable on your business's taxable profits. Basically you're going to currently be paying this at 19% and the tax is going to be due 9 months and a day after your year end. VAT. Now VAT, if you've had to register for VAT or you've chosen to register for VAT, then you are going to need to submit a VAT return. These returns need to be submitted a month and 7 days after the reporting period. So say for example you've got a 31st of December year end or quarter's end for your VAT return, you would need to register this by the 7th of February. You'd need to file this and you would need to pay the VAT on it. Another tax to talk about is PAYE. Now PAYE is a tax that's payable on the employees of the business. These could be directors or third-party employees. This tax is reportable every single month on the payroll software under something called real-time information. And basically for most small businesses, the PAYE is payable quarterly. So say for example you've got a quarter end June, the tax would be payable by the 19th of July. Another tax to consider is CIS tax. Now this would only be irrelevant for a company that's operating within the construction industry scheme and is employing subcontractors. Under a CIS scheme, you have to report any subcontractors that you've used every single month. And basically you do it on a payment date between the 6th and the 5th of the following month. Now this tax and report has to be submitted to HMRC and paid by the 19th of the following month. So say for example you were doing the 6th of March to the 5th of April, you would have to submit this return by the 19th of April and pay any tax that was due. The final tax to consider is self-assessment. Now as a director and a shareholder of a company, you are going to have to complete a self-assessment tax return and this return will need to be filed with HMRC by the 31st of January of the following year. So for example, if you've got a tax return for the year ended 2020, this would need to be filed with HMRC by the 31st of January 2021. All tax would have to be paid on the 31st of January 2021, and if you have a payment on account, this would need to be paid by the 31st of July 2022. We hope that quick roundup of the different taxes has been useful, but if you need any further assistance or clarity on this, please give us a call and we'll go through them with you in a lot more detail.